this will be the third major release for Okami HD, after the original port on the PS3 in 2012 and the most recent release on PS4, Xbox One and PC at the end of last year. The original game was released in 2006 on the PS2 and was a visually stunning game, for its use of traditional Japanese art styles sumi-e and ukiyo-e, as well as its unique gameplay based on drawing gestures on the screen. This inevitably resulted in a Wii port in 2008 with motion controls, which is something that this version of Switch will retain partly in terms of its Joy-Con entry. However, the real addition to the launch of Switch is that it will allow you to use the touchscreen to draw directly into the game world. With a bit of luck, the Switch version will help to further consolidate the unique mechanics of the game. The configuration of the touchscreen will work very well on the Switch,